Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. This video is going up a little bit late, but it is a GLOSSYBOX unboxing and it's the Halloween, well, not the Halloween, like the October version, which is, I'm guessing, kind of Halloweeny. And yes, I'm an angel, not a devil. Who'd have ever guessed that one, eh? Kind of like my eye. Anyway, let's move on, let's get into this video. I'm going to try and keep this video not too long, but I might jibber jabber on, who knows. Just for anyone who's interested, the GLOSSYBOX calendar is on here and I'm assuming it's out and I'm assuming it's still in stock. I assume a lot of things apparently and I could be completely wrong and I might have made an ass out of me and you. Who knows? That's what happens when you assume. Anyway, let's move on. Let's just get straight into it, yes. We could have had an angel or a devil this year and I got the angel one, which is interesting. So, I haven't looked in here yet. Oh my god, I'm actually quite excited now. So, ooh, what's this? No, let's just do this in the right order. Well, not in the right order, but let's just do this correctly. So first, I'm seeing luxury white hot chocolate. Shut the front door. Ooh, I am obsessed with white chocolate. White chocolate is the best.
Milky Barking is strong and tough.
Probably going to get copyrighted for that. Why do I do this to myself? Anyway, that was horrendous. So, this is Whittard, Chelsea, 1886. Did they even have chocolate in 1886? Apparently so. As an extra treat, we've also included... Oh, this is an extra treat. We like an extra treat, guys, don't we? We've also included an indulgent luxury white hot chocolate in this month's box, brimming with buttery sweetness. This lusciously creamy concoction will keep you cosy on those chilly autumn days. Simply pour your sachet into a mug, then gently add 200 ml of water. So I kind of, for some reason, I imagined it being like hard. Oh, but it is like literally a sachet of hot chocolate. We'll be using that. Oh my god, I can't wait. Also, I love putting marshmallows with hot chocolate now. It's definitely a thing I've started doing. So, I'm seeing... Oh, I've got a few of these. Oh, is this for the lips? This is Angel Pink Crayon Lipstick by Lord & Berry. Let me show you. My nails are horrendous, by the way. Please don't look at them. Please don't look at them. You can't really see that well, but it's like super, super pink. It's like a Barbie pink. Oh my god, I love it. I'd put it on my lips now, but I already have something on and it won't show up. But I'm excited about that. Okay, I will read about it. Where is it? Maximat lipstick crayon in angelic pink. Right, so I guess people who would have got the devil will have probably got a different one. I mean, I don't know for definite. If anyone did get the devil, let me know down below, like if you got quite a few different things in here. You're going to look positively divine thanks to this soft pink lipstick crayon. Angelic pink hue offers a delicate and heavenly colour payoff. Well, yeah, I believe that. Heavenly colour payoff. Better yet, it's formulated with hydrating vitamin E and glides effortlessly onto your lips to create a smooth, matte finish and doesn't dry out your pout, which we're all about not having the dry lips. My lips are so dry, so annoying. So that's that. What's this? So I'm guessing if you got the devil, you won't have got this. This is Angel Dust. Oh wow! So this is a collaboration with Bubble. I mean, I think it says Bubble Tea, Bath and Body, and GLOSSYBOX. So this is Angel Dust Foaming Bath Powder. Well, I'm excited to try that out. That looks... Oh, I want to know what it smells like. I'm not going to open it because it's I feel like this will be messy if I don't just put it straight into my bath because I'm just a messy person. But... a soothing, heavenly treat, this foaming bath powder is the perfect way to relax on those autumn evenings as you fill your bath. Simply sprinkle a shimmering halo of foaming powder into the tub. I can't wait to try that out. Cannot wait. Okay, what else? What's this? This is, oh my god. This is very exciting. I'm quite happy with this box this time. We are recording, aren't we? Let me just move the cursor away from the record button because that happens occasionally. Make sure your angelic beauty never fades using this luxurious peel-off mask to maintain a bright and luminous complexion. So basically it's just like a peel-off mask, but I don't know if it's going to show off. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. But basically it's really like glittery inside. So the actual like, what is it called? The actual gel stuff that you put on your face is like glittery. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's well pretty. I can't wait to try that out. And we've also got, ooh, I Define Crayon by, how do you say that? Mako Beauty? I'll let you guys decide how to say that. It'd help if I was anywhere near. What am I doing with my life? But this is what it is, and it's just a black eyeliner. Velvety texture glides effortlessly along your lash line. I cannot wait to try this out. And then finally, I'm seeing an eyeshadow palette, and I'm quite excited. Not gonna lie, quite excited about this one. So this is the Velvet Touch palette by Style London. This luscious eyeshadow palette features 9 highly pigmented hues in a range of sweet and soft pinks. Sweep a single colour onto your lid to create a subtle yet enchanting look, or layer the different shades for a dazzling, multi-dimensional finish. Don't worry, these shades for dazzling Don't worry, these hues are entirely sin-free, boasting talc, paraben and cruelty-free vegan formulas. I like that. I do like that. Now, I've just realised I haven't told you the prices, so I'm going to go over the prices. That eyeshadow palette, RRP, is for £15, and it is a full size. The Lord & Berry Pink Lip Crayon, also £15, which I think is quite expensive, but that's also a full size. The Bubble Powder Stuff, £4.99, and that is a full size. The black eyeliner crayon is £15, and that's a full size. And the peel off mask is £2.49 for like the one sachet of mask. And then the white chocolate powder stuff. I don't even know what I'm saying. The white chocolate hot drink thing that you have is £2. Oh no, wait. Ah yes. RRP is £8, but that would be for like a full 350 grams, whereas just for the 20 grams is worth about £2. So that's really cool that they put that like little extra thing in there. Oh my god! I can't wait for next. Right, no, I'm not going to go into that. Right, let's stop now. Stop, woman. So, have I done everything I need to do? My head is all over the place right now. Don't mind my hair, by the way. It's an absolute disaster. But it is what it is. You do you, boo. And I'm not stealing that. I'm just a fan, okay? You do you. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I have been rubbish lately at the video stuff. And things are just a little bit crazy. And I am going to try and do like a catch-up video with you guys. It's just getting around to do it and stuff. I do have some videos planned though, so there's still some more videos planned and some videos to come. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, hit the like button and leave me a comment down below. And I will reply to y'all. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.